Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your email address on your Dunkin' Donuts account. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for My Account at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on My Account. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Manage Profile. Under Manage Profile, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Personal Information. Now, you will see a section for email. There, remove the current email. Then enter the new email you wish to use. Lastly, click on Update. That's how you change your email address on your Dunkin' Donuts account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.